Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to edit your book with Grammarly. So first, log into your Grammarly account. Now, Grammarly is a very awesome tool to edit your book online in an effective and simple way, and it offers simple advices to make your book look professional and better. So, that's it. Now, we're going to click on New Doc. Now here you're gonna just paste the text of your book. And just here Grammarly will suggest some improvements, so you're gonna accept these improvements and follow his guidelines. So all is good here. So if anything is wrong, Grammarly will display it here. So you can also enhance and talk with AI. We have AI detector here. You can just talk with it. AI chat. You can chat with AI, for example, make this book look better. So you get the idea here. Grammarly will just give you improvements and some advices to enhance your book. And that's it. Guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and